Hey guys, it's Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. We're working on this F250, this F150, and this 2500 HD Chevy over there. So these three are some very dirty work vehicles. I'll just show you a little bit. We are working for Dyne Engineering today, doing some detailing on their marketing rigs. I got the lovely Tony in here working on the interior. It's usually what she does while I'm working on the outside. So I just got this wheel and fender well area cleaned. I got that one done. I just moved all my stuff over to start on this side. See how nasty these wheels are. So that's what we're working on now. And next will be this F150. You can see how nasty those wheels are as well. It's missing a cap here. But so they're getting complete interiors and wash clay, one-step polish, and the rapid in and out protect on the exteriors of all of these. This one here is not getting polished, but it is getting wash clay and then the rapid in and out protect, which, if you don't know, that is my 1 year plus rated in the Florida sun ceramic spray coating. So it gives you really good benefit for not a lot of money. And that thing needs to be cleaned up pretty good. So I'm not going to waste any time babbling. I am right now using a brand new cleaner, a heavy duty cleaner. I got two brand new products that I'm about to release, one of which is a touchless wash, which I've had before and they've always been amazing, but now it's quite superior. It actually does an amazing job of removing really heavy duty stuck on grime. And then you just always need something that will remove all this nastiness. See all how dirty that water is? So that's all the brake dust and crap that came off that wheel. You see how nice and clean and beautiful it looks. This is my acid. I am going to probably have to use this on these wheels, but I don't know yet. But anyway, so I will not be doing the touchless wash here today. We're going to do a rinseless, the standard Garry Dean wash method situation. I am going to use the new Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure. And if you are confused about what that is compared to older versions of Infinite Use Detail Juice, basically the real difference is the Pure is more like the original than the 2025 version was. Like, I had a lot of people telling me they didn't want protection, heavy duty protection in the rinseless wash. They wanted something that was very lubricating and work well, but they didn't want that to be the definitive protection. So we took the ceramic out. Well, we didn't take it out, we just lessened it to the point where there's just very little bit of SiO2 in it to give it a little bit of protection, but you're looking at 2 to 3 months, not over a year, like the rapid in and out protect. But anyway, I'll quit yapping. I'll tell you more about what we use and what's going on once I get to the different parts and vehicles that might need something that, well, I don't know I'm gonna need to use yet. So I'll bring you back in just a minute when I've got more to show you. All right, so we've been working all day. I got this F250, we cleaned and cleaned and cleaned. It was nasty. So wash, clay bar, one-step polish with the rapid one-step cut and polish from rapidriderehab.com. That stuff is absolutely amazing. You can use it in direct sunlight in the middle of summer in Central Florida with zero issues, and you still be able to wipe it off just like butter. So if you want something that just plain works, cuts like the Dickens, and polishes equally as well, and you can use it in direct sunlight and no issues, Yeah, that's where we're at. It also has a primer in it, which allows you to go directly behind it with a protective product, which is what I did with my Rapid In and Out Protect. That's my 1-year spray sealant, or I should say spray coating. It's a ceramic based product. I hand polished all, actually no, I'm sorry, I machine polished all the chrome, got the wheels all clean. That is my the Rapid Dressing diluted 50/50. Those tires took on a whole lot of the product, and I could really put another coat on there, but I don't think that it matters. So that's kind of where we're at with those. Those wheels were nasty. I got everything done. Mirrors, I did treat all of the black trim, as you can probably tell, with the trim hydrate. We got the interiors of both of these trucks spick and span. Looks awesome. Now that truck over there was the doozy. This thing was bad, but that one was badder. So got everything cleaned up over here. Get a couple things out of here. Yeah, so we put their stuff back in there. He's about to move them around, which is why I'm shooting the video real quick. So 1-step polish on this thing, and then Rapid In and Out Protect. So that one's all done. This one right here got the exact same process. Wash, clay bar, and then 1-step polish with, I used my DeWalt 15mm throw DA dual action polisher, and the Rapid 1-step with a orange buff and shine pad. Turns out great. You probably remember these wheels had all kinds of brake dust all up in here on all 4 wheels. This is the same dilution, just so you know, of the Rapid Dressing. It's diluted 50/50, and it's a lot more glossy on these tires because they're brand new versus those older tires that soaked a bunch of it in. So that's 1 coat on everything. I'm going to show you this big boy in just a minute, but machine polished all of the chrome on this. I actually just used the Rapid 1-step. I did not even switch to the chrome polish. I don't know why I didn't. Really just trying to save a little bit of time. The chrome polish would actually have enhanced the gloss a bit more. I also polished out the headlights on both of this F250 and the F150 over there. I forgot to mention that. So those are good, but you can see the gloss is phenomenal. This thing, I mean, it only has 100,000 miles on it, but it was just disgusting. It's not now though. It really looks great. The lovely Tony, my wife, did the interiors on these vehicles. So, and then for the grand finale, we are almost done with this 2025 2500 HD Z71 Trail Boss. This does have a, I believe, 6-inch lift. That is also the Rapid Dressing diluted 50/50 with water. A lot more gloss on this. These tires are pretty new. Got to pull down those windshield washers. But man, this thing looks amazing. The interior of this thing wasn't bad at all. I think I have the key in my pocket. Yeah, I do. All right. So it looks awesome. But it wasn't a whole lot to that interior, which is why ain't nothing to look at really. Just gonna wipe as you go a little bit. There's that one getting put away. The other one's gonna get put away as well. So if you need something detailed, give me a call, 813-846-4406. Check out rapidriderehab.com if you want to know what we do. Everything from detailing and paint correction, ceramic coatings, interior leather repair, metal fabrication. We do body work and paint. not only do we do smart repairs, small to medium area repair technology is what smart repair stands for. Not only do we do that, or body work, but we do the smart repairs as well. So if you've got something, we can do those mobile. My truck is outfitted with an air compressor and all the things to make your ride look as new as it can again. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our work for the day. But that's 3 beastly trucks done. And I think we're right around 7 hours in. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to me babble. So if you need me again, it's 813-846-4406. Or not again, if you need me, again, I'll give you my number. Thanks for watching. If you got questions, let me know. You can send me a text message. But check out rapidriderehab.com for all of the services that I offer. And call me if you need me or if you've got any questions. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.